Welcome to the verdict new OPPO Reno 5Z, and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the special features, or just we can use it from here, or just let's go to the system settings and then you'll see here screen recording section. After that you'll see here the definition. Tap here once and now we can switch our quality from medium to the high, to the low, or to the custom, and that's it. Also we can make it by the second way. Just first we should open notification panel shortcuts, and somewhere here we should find the screen recording icon. Just hold for a while this icon and you will launch the same screen recording settings, and just to change the video quality we should select the definition section, and after that we can switch it. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.